Hello, today we are going to be making a foldable for slope, and I'm starting with half sheet of paper here, and you're going to fold the sides in to the middle, and then we're going to cut here, so we're going to have a 4-pane door here. And on the inside, you should have a coordinate plane. And on the outside, and if you use colors, that'll make your information stand out a little bit more, maybe help you remember it a little bit better. And this is a question mark. Okay, so for the first one, this is a symbol for positive. So this is a positive slope. And it is a line that goes up. It's increasing. An example in real life that you might see would be like a ski lift, the up escalator, or hiking up a mountain. In an equation, a positive slope could be y equals 1/3 x minus 2. 1/3 would be the slope there. Or y equals 2x plus 3. 2 is the positive slope there. Let's zoom in so you can see a little bit better there. So then on the coordinate graph, what that would look like this is a positive slope line here. For negative, and that would be this one, top right. A line has negative slope. It's a line that goes down. It's decreasing. Some places you may see that in real life would be snow skiing, skiing down the mountain. Sledding. Those activities are much more fun with a negative slope. Some equations. Y equals negative 3x plus 7. Negative 3 is the slope. And it is negative, or negative 1/2 x minus 2. Negative 1/2 is the slope there. On the coordinate plane, it would look like this, something like this. And here we have a negative slope. All right, next. Under 0, this is a line that has 0 slope. It is a horizontal line. Some people call it a flat line. It has no slope to it. Okay? Places you would see that. A lot of your sports. For instance, football, basketball, anything that's played on the gym floor, volleyball. Soccer. The moving sidewalks that you might encounter in an airport or a mall. Sidewalks. Swim, let's see. And the equation, what that would look like, be y equals 5, y equals a -4. And what that's saying, y equals 5, no matter where you go, y is 5. So it's kind of hard to see that one. There we go. So this one is a 0 slope. You may also see, if you ever, when you're finding the slope from two coordinate pairs, you may get a 0 over another number, say 3. That will be 0, and that will be a 0 slope flat line, horizontal. All right, last we've got what's in orange, undefined. Undefined. This one is vertical line, and it is all rise, and it has no run to it. Some places you might see this in real life would be an elevator, maybe rock climbing. If you enjoy roller coasters, the Tower of Terror would be where you would see that. In an equation, it would be x is equal to 5. If you're subtracting some coordinate pairs to find slope, you may find an undefined slope right here. If it has the 0 on the bottom, it's undefined. Now what that would look like on a coordinate plane would be this. Straight up and down. And this is an undefined slope. I have several students that ask, how do you know whether a line is positive, negative? How do you know which way the line is going? So something that you need to know, and this applies to reading words as well as reading graphs. Read the graph from left to right. Okay, so we're going to go this direction. Same way you read words. okay, from the left to the right. So if it starts down low and increases, goes up, that's a positive slope. If it starts up higher and it goes down to the right, that is a negative slope. Something that we have found also helps some students is Slope Man. So Slope Man has eyes, and there's his eyes with his eyebrows. He's got a nose. And he's not smiling. And if you'll look at this one is a positive slope, and his eyebrow is showing us a positive slope. Here, we've got negative eye. His eye is closed, and the eyebrow is negative. Here we've got the Slope Man's nose, and this is undefined, and the Slope Man's mouth is a zero slope. And that's all we have for today. Thanks for listening.